Welcome to the Solar Truth. I'm Adam Evans. I'm actually the president of Rock Fitness Climbing Gym in Wildomar, California. So that's a involved hobby of mine. I was even on American Ninja Warrior last season, 2019, and trying to get again on there again this year. But I have my background, and the reason for the Solar Truth is I'm an electrical contractor. I also have a solar contractor's license, and there's a lot of misinformation out there about how solar works, how batteries work, good and bad financing. So I'm going to try to clarify the truth in these situations. And I want to tell people how batteries work, high and low quality material. A lot of it will be California based because I'm in Southern California and mostly familiar with that, but also related to other states and other countries. How solar can be good and bad in certain situations, depending on how much people are paying for their electricity, how batteries might work and affect them. So please like and subscribe to the channel, and there'll be a lot of great information coming forward.